There are groups that try to project the Khasi community as anti-non-tribal, said the president of Khasi Students' Union, President Lambokstar Marngar. Speaking to the media, Marngar said that these groups are trying to portray a very poor image of the community before the government of India by spreading unsubstantiated information against the tribal community. Marngar's statement came following a complaint made by groups and unidentified persons to the Meghalaya government that the non-tribal have been deprived of their rights in the state. Marngar also said that it was unfortunate that there was an attempt by some groups to create communal tension in Meghalaya. The KSU President also said that it is wrong to blame the students' body for creating communal tension over the Ishamati incident.
Are trying to unite on this issue. They went to West Bengal, Mumbai, and some parts of the mainland India to mislead the people of the mainland India, especially the government of India, that the KSU and the Khasi people, they are very anti-non-tribal, they attack non-tribal, but that is totally unacceptable because there is nothing happened. It's a couple of common, but we are very, very unfortunate to see that the people try to bring the communal color in the state of Meghalaya, not the Khasi, but this non-tribal. So we are not the one who started this communal issue, but they are the one who started this communal issue. So now the ball is in the hands of the non-tribal to decide whether they want peace or they want communal clash in the state of Meghalaya. That's a very clear message from the KSU. Well, with regard to the banner, if you go deep to the history, the Bengali origin from West Bengal, they don't came and migrate in the state of Meghalaya. The fact is the peace people from Bangladesh only, they migrate to the state of Meghalaya. Yes, they got the epics and all, they prove themselves as the resident of Meghalaya, they prove themselves the resident of the citizen of the India also. So we saw that if we are only also from the, I got from the Bosco, so from the Bosco Media, but the only things that we don't bother with regard to that FIR also. What we are very much concerned is about the core issue of the state of Meghalaya, the influx issue, the border issue, the education issue, and the unemployment issue. Let them fight 12, 10 to 100 FIR also, we don't bother about that. That is a part of our journey in the 22 years of entire struggle of the KSU. I don't have any comment with regard on that because we are welcome that affair also. We are ready to face any consequence. Might be they might have the blame that we are the responsible for that communal issue, but like I have said earlier, they are the one. They are those people from non-tribal only. They are create this problem. They viral this all this comment in the social media, and they are the one who creates communal color in the state of Meghalaya. Where is the case you have create this communal color in the state of Meghalaya? They are the one. That is not tribal only create the communal color in the state of Meghalaya. They act like an angel. It creates that in the public that they got the sympathy at the victim. But the fact is, especially in the incident in Ishamati, we are the victim, not this non-tribal. I don't think that there's involved by some political party, but my only observation is these people trying to capture the political rights in the state of Meghalaya, capture the business of Meghalaya. That is the main objective of these people. I don't know whether they have the plan or not with regard to this special purpose of state of Meghalaya. But we will be very, very careful on this matter and we look at and we will find out the facts. If anything happens, then trying to take away the special status of the state of Meghalaya, then at that time, then we will take a call how to react and how to move forward. See, the vision is very clear. There is not new with regard to the vision. We have already demanding so many with regard to the implementation of the mechanism, how to protect, how to detect these illegal migrants who are entering illegally to the state of Meghalaya. We have demanded the ILP to implement the state of Meghalaya, but the government is totally rejected to implement the ILP in the state of Meghalaya. in 2013. Yet this present government have passed the resolution and sent it to the central government to grant the ILP to state Meghalaya. But it depends on the wisdom of state government. What is the mechanism to implement in the state Meghalaya to find out the way and means how to detect and protect the identity of the Khasi people? Because as of now, the state Meghalaya, there is no mechanism to protect the identity of the Khasi community. And there is no mechanism to regulate of the entering of the illegal migrant in the state of Meghalaya. But it's the failure of the state government, not the failure of the pressure group. I don't see any challenges, but the only thing is the political will of the state government. If the Manipur can lobby for the central government to implement the ILP in the state of Manipur, why not Meghalaya? If the government of here can grant the ILP to the state of Manipur, why not Meghalaya? But the only thing is the political will of the state of Meghalaya. All the legislature, they have pursued this matter aggressively, and we hope that one day the government of India will implement the ILP in the state of Meghalaya. With regard to this issue, because we are talking about this communal issue, it's not new in the state of Meghalaya. This is a long pending issue, and that I can see. So, in Union only, when we organize any agitations, any protests, we work in that direction that the agitation and protest should be in democratic way. So since we have already demanded the implementation of this mechanism, like I said, that is the failure of the state government to delay to implement this mechanism. It is the failure of the government to set up the S3 exit in the entire state of Meghalaya. So if the government have the sense of responsibility to protect the identity of the indigenous community of the state of Meghalaya, I think it's the duty bound of the state government to implement this mechanism.